how to send crypto on Trust Wallet. If you wish to send crypto on Trust Wallet, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do over here is to simply launch the Trust Wallet application. Once you launch the Trust Wallet app, make sure to log into your account. To send cryptocurrency to another wallet, you need to have the recipient wallet's address, which is the receiving or depositing address. Either you must have copied it to your clipboard, or either you must have the QR code. Just like how you need the recipient's bank account number whenever you're trying to send money from one bank account to another, you need a deposit address on the crypto platforms as well. Once you launch the Trust Wallet app, you can see the send icon there. Just tap the send option. You can choose the cryptocurrency that you own. So if you have a list of crypto, fiat or cryptocurrency, you'll find them here. When you select that, you'll be able to paste the address to where you want to send your crypto wallet or the amount of crypto to. Then once you confirm it, you would have successfully sent crypto on Trust Wallet. This way you'll be able to send crypto on Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.